हॅलो स्टुडंट, गुड आफ्टरनून. आपण मागील व्हिडिओमध्ये पाहिलं असेक्शुअल रिप्रोडक्शन इन अमिबा, पॅरामोशियम अँड युग्लिना. In all three there is a binary fission reproduction takes place. Now today we are going to learn about multiple fission and budding, which is also a type of asexual reproduction in unicellular organism. Now first of all, multiple fission in amoeba. You already learned binary fission in amoeba, but when binary fission takes place and when multiple fission takes place. In that, binary fission takes place when there is a favorable condition. At that time what happens? Binary fission is the process in which parent cell divides to form two similar daughter cells. This is a binary fission. Bi means two. It takes place when there is only favorable condition, that is lot of supply of food, water or other necessary factors. But in amoeba, multiple fission also takes place. When it takes place? When there is a adverse condition, or we can say unfavorable condition. So what actually happen in this? During unfavorable conditions, when there is a lack of food. Unfavorable म्हणजे की जिथं काहीतरी कमी असेल. मग when there is a lack of food, फूडची कमतरता असेल, at that time amoeba shows multiple fission. Multi means many. Amoeba forms protective covering and becomes encysted, or there is a cyst formation takes place. What is cyst? Cyst is nothing but a protective covering around plasma membrane. At that time, amoeba stops the formation of pseudopodia and form a round shape, that is hard covering around itself, which is called cyst. Now inside the cyst, amoeba undergoes repeated nuclear division. त्या cyst मध्ये किंवा त्या हार्ड प्रोटेक्टिव्ह कव्हरिंग मध्ये अमिबा सेल डिव्हिजन करत असतो. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, न्यूक्लियर डिव्हिजन टेक्स प्लेस, मीन्स न्यूक्लियस कॅन डिवाइड. दिस इज फॉलोड बाय सायटोप्लाझ्मिक डिव्हिजन. आफ्टर न्यूक्लियर डिव्हिजन, cytoplasmic division takes place. Then many amebulae are formed, which remain dormant inside the cyst. म्हणजे त्या cystमध्ये अनेक दिवस ते अमिब्युली किंवा न्यू अमिबा राहू शकतात. When it come out from that cyst, when favorable conditions reappear, then they come out by breaking the cyst. मग जेव्हा फेवरेबल कंडिशन असेल, म्हणजे लॉट ऑफ फूड, मॉइश्चर, at that time that cyst will broken down and many amebulae released from that cyst. So it is called multiple fission. It means many new amoeba form from that cyst. It takes place only there is a adverse condition, or we can say unfavorable condition. You have to draw diagram of it as well as learn short note on multiple fission in amoeba. There will be question. Second type of asexual reproduction in unicellular organism is budding. Now budding takes place in yeast. So what is yeast? Yeast is a unicellular fungus. You know that dry yeast powder can available in market. Then when we add water, at that time it will become active. We have to add some sugar also. That is the food for yeast to grow. Then after some time we can see many yeast. Actually what happens during budding? Bud means small outcoming from the parent cell. So yeast cells performing budding, that is a small bud coming out of many parent cells. Asexual reproduction occurs by budding in yeast. Yeast produces two daughter nuclei by mitotic division so as to reproduce by budding. So you know that there are two types of cell divisions, mitosis and meiosis. So in this it is a asexual reproduction. That's why only one parent is involved. Therefore cell division must be mitotic or mitosis. So in yeast also mitotic division, two daughter nuclei are formed. This yeast cell is called as a parent cell. मग त्या दोन डॉटर न्यूक्लियाय पैकी एक parent cell असेल. A small bulge appears on the surface of parent cell. मग त्या parent cell वर आपल्याला थोडासा फुगीर भाग दिसेल. That is bulge. This bulge is actually a bud. मग त्या बल्जला किंवा त्या फुगीर भागालाच आपण काय म्हणतो? बड. One of the two daughter nuclei enters this bud. त्या दोन्हीपैकी एक न्यूक्लियाय त्या बड मध्ये एंटर होतो. After sufficient growth, bud separates from the parent cell. Then there will be growth of that bud so as to after some time it will separate from the parent cell and starts to live independently as a daughter yeast cell. मग काही दिवसांनी ती सेल सेपरेट होईल आणि तिचं ती लाईफ सर्वाइव्ह करेल. It is independent to parent cell. It means that new young one is formed, and as the bud formation takes place, so the name is given budding. You can draw diagram of budding of yeast also in your notebook. So this is all about asexual reproduction in unicellular organism. In that we see binary fission, multiple fission and budding. Binary fission is of three types which occur in three different organisms. First is in amoeba, simple binary fission. In Paramecium, transverse binary fission. In Euglena, longitudinal binary fission. Whereas multiple fission takes place in amoeba or some protista, but when there is a unfavorable condition. Then budding. Budding is in yeast. Due to formation of bud, name is given budding. So all these are the asexual reproduction in unicellular organism. Try to read from your textbook, draw diagram. So today we will stop here.